James, how's the form? Just coming back to you on the email from last night. Okay, yeah, good news. Anyway, the text version you have is actually the correct version. An awful lot of Irish guys have bought a low-level Irish version, which they don't even sell in England anymore, but you've got the UK version. Yeah, a couple of things. Yeah, it's not being used to. It's very powerful. This, so you can. There's a few ways you can add documents. All right, just quickly. One is if you have them on a PDF, you can just drag them in here, and you program it to say when this comes in, it learns. So say DaVinci Creative there, it'll say, okay, that's got to do with media, advertising, claim the VAT net, and publish it straight through to QuickBooks. You can go zoom through, and you do that via a place called supplier rules. Now that's not on the Irish version. I have it as well. You have it, and this is reading your QuickBooks chart of accounts, which is like a map of how the accounts go together. Okay, see auto-publish there, and down here then is the VAT. So you always want to have specified the VAT that relates to the particular supplier, okay, and publish it to bill. So that's part of what we do. The second thing that you have is you have a special email address here. Now that one is made up itself, I expect, and I would change it to similar to your email, james.daily815, that thing. So, and if you give that to your suppliers, when they are emailing you the bill, they can CC it and go straight into QuickBooks. And the third one is the app on your phone, all right? There's also another one called Fetch. Just need you of that actually. Fetch is where it goes into websites and downloads the bills like eFlow, Electric Ireland, 3, Air, all these ones. So here it is, invoice fetch. Yeah, you do. I thought you would. Okay. What happens here is it hasn't read too many of your bills yet, but as the bills go in, it cops on which ones are downloaders. And if I put in say eFlow here, you may have an eFlow account. There it is. What happens is it'll ask you for your username and password, and it'll download those bills into here. Okay, that's how that works. Doesn't happen straight away, but 3 days later they start coming in automatic. So you're gathering in bills, you're keeping in your VAT rate down, you're keeping your personal or corporation tax rate down, and that's how that goes. The same is kind of there with sales. Okay, that's a different conversation. All right, so that's really part of what Dex will do for you. And I use the word part deliberately. Okay, come back to your email though. Okay, so I've just logged in as you there. So I'll talk to you about that. Okay. How changing the Irish version may affect the sync with the vet drive. Shouldn't affect it too much. I mean, it will, you may have to resync, all right? But it's similar to the UK version, very similar, but it is set up for Ireland. So definitely, I mean, I'm moving all my UK clients onto it these last few weeks, okay? So the way to do it is literally just set one up and see, okay? Okay, really that thing there about the reports is down to what people need to know about, and then there's a report there for them. Yeah, we can have a chat about that and the categories. Okay, on this link here, Discovery Call, it brings you to my Calendly account, and whatever's available on here will suit me. So on Saturday, if you click on the 26th, 5:15 is available. Okay, I know of something at 3:15 as well. So we can talk then. I'll free up a bit more time because I'm a bit freer than that. And if the times don't suit you, these are available next week. Okay. Okay, so I'll free up a bit more time on Saturday, and then you just click it and it'll set up a Zoom link and we can run through stuff, and I can record it and you can chat through with whoever you need to. All right, so we'll see where it leads. Okay, bye for now.